It's uneducated.
Hey everybody, this is Uneducated Opinions.
Uneducated opinions.
We're just going to run these ads real quick. We'll be right back.
Wait. I thought we were starting.
No, we got to run the ads.
Why?
Because we got to?
But we should, just start.
No, we got to run the ads.
We got to run the ads?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Welcome, it's pizza, bitch.
Hit me, baby. One more time.
Free pizza for life.
Fuck yeah.
I'm a slave for you sausage.
I could probably find a way to make that funny. Just now that it's recording.
Right?
I have editing control.
Yeah. It's terrible. I just fucked myself there. Pizza Bitch is not responsible for and expressly disclaims all liability for damages of any kind arising out of use, reference to, or reliance on any information contained within its Pizza Bitch. While the information contained within its Pizza Bitch is periodically updated, no guarantee is given that the information provided within its Pizza Bitch is correct, complete, or up to date.
Oh, welcome to the motherfucking show. Warning.
We might say some shit that you don't agree with.
Uneducated opinions can't be held accountable for uneducated opinions.
If you don't like it, you can get over it.
You can fuck off.
One. Talking to your microphone, you dick weasel.
We need it higher. It didn't sound very. I had to put it on max. Something like it's not. We're not close enough or something. Something's not true.
Okay, shit. Don't yell at me, man. We'll figure it out. Fuck.
That or maybe something in the editing side. Yeah, dick.
I don't like the way you're talking to me right now. All right.
Nobody likes the way I talk. At all.
Shooby-doo-wop and Scooby
Shooby-doo-wop.
Had a fine girl, I can't relax now. I don't remember the rest of this song. I feel like we're really loud right now, as far as like the waves are saying. Like
It's
we're
on
off
the editing
fucking
side.
charts, bruh.
We are. Let's keep it that way.
That's what I'm saying. I think we're about right here.
Let's keep it that way.
You're too far. That's
I know, but I have to mix it with him.
It's not my fault.
Well, what the fuck do you want me to do about it?
I'll figure it out.
How about you figure out the third mic?
Bro, I have a third mic figured out.
Oh.
We gotta pay $150 more.
Oh, fuck that.
Yeah. So, eat a dick.
Oh, I got all fucking wanting to look at fucking the emoji thing. I wanted it. Looked it up. Can't have it.
No.
But you can download an app.
That'll do it?
That'll do it. And emoji.
Ooh.
Supermoji is what it's called.
Do you
do
you want to do an Animoji?
$9.99 a month.
You can do an Animoji if you'd like. You can send it
I
to
don't have time to make it perfect.
You can send it to yourself. That way you can post it.
Okay. How'd you get him to fly?
Oh, I moved my head side to side like in a... There's a way to like...
Ooh, alien. I'm
There
going
you
with
go.
the alien.
You can look at all of them now.
Going with the alien.
As you move your head, it'll move his head.
Hello, Earthlings. I am just like you. I pull my nuts out when I pee. Fuck you. Hooray for me. Bye. Hello, Earthlings. I am just like you. I pull my nuts out when I pee. Fuck you. Hooray for me. Bye. That was fun. Fuck you. Hooray for me. Test.
Testing.
Bro, it has my eyes.
Gotta talk a little louder is all.
Look how squinty it's making my eyes.
Oh.
You already high?
Well, my eyes are always squinty, which is funny. Ooh, squinty poop. Squinting ass fox, squinting ass dog.
Ooh, sweet. Profits.
Hello, Earthlings. I am just
Oh,
like you.
shit.
I pull my nuts out when I pee. Fuck you. Hooray for me. Bye.
Sweet.
Yeah, the shark's my favorite by far.
Yeah, that one was fucking hilarious.
Oh yeah, the shark when you put on Instagram?
Yes. I'll eat that ass.
I'll eat that ass.
That was funny as shit. Almost put that on my page. Don't do that.
Can't be doing that, Chris George. Suspend you.
Man, this chick here, big ass titties.
Alright, we ready to
I think we're about there.
do things?
We're pretty much there.
We've been recording.
Have we?
This whole time.
You know what? There's one time that one of the shows we didn't talk for a long time. We were just talking, not recording. It was aired. We were off in the background. Thank God nobody listens to this show.
Right?
Jesus. Like 20 minutes.
How about you?
It was like 2 minutes. Then turn on Chicken Attack. Like you probably set it and start looking for the song.
Just never cut the beginning out.
Beer. Anybody else need?
I'm gonna need a backup beer.
I'm good.
I'm gonna need a backup beer koozie too.
Just put your koozie on that one and finish
Do
the
you,
other one up.
do you have your, what you call
Still
it?
pretty full.
Huh?
Kabuka koozies?
I do. I still have them, but they're at my house.
Whore.
Yeah, I don't carry my koozies around like I should.
J.R. Halling.
Oh yeah,
Call us now and give us your jump.
we're gonna have to write that out another time, I guess.
Do you like the tagline though?
Is that it? What? Call us when you need your jump going?
Got any jump? Be a lot cooler if you
Just,
did.
yeah. I like it. Yeah, so if we fucking just put all that whole thing on there and just replace words.
Yeah,
with
but
our home.
basically just read the script.
Put the script up there, change the words right, boom. Be a lot cooler
There's
if you
three of us,
did.
there's three people that talk in the scene.
Yeah. So we're starting? Or did we act, or we're just talking?
It's recording.
But are we gonna air this?
Get a show?
Is this going to get aired?
I don't know what's been said.
Nothing.
Nothing.
We didn't introduce the show at all.
No, I mean, as far as like that could be hold us liable.
Oh, no, I don't think we said anything along those lines.
Oh,
I think
okay.
we've been pretty decent. It's not that. We just didn't come in with that fire.
I've been mowing food.
We didn't come in with that fire, bro. But that's okay. Uneducated opinions. Here we are. We got Daniel from Renegade Pirates in the house again. Tell
Hello.
the people what up.
What it do?
Got old Rossi Ross over here.
But
Flexing like a boss.
I still got my boots on. It's awkward.
Boom. Just rocking the boots. Frankie Fortunato ready to sell you some cars. No way.
All I did was come in and eat food.
4 Gs. Yeah. Just-
4 Gs. Go buy a car from Frankie. It's $4,000.
You come down with $4,000, you get to leave with a car. Doesn't mean it's the price of the car.
Might not even be your
Coming
car.
$4,000 though, you probably get
You
a
can
car.
leave with a car, but you're probably going to get pulled over down the street because you stole it.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna tell the police. Like as soon as you drive
They're
off.
like, Frankie, why did you let them take that car? Be like,
They stole
they
it.
stole
They
it.
stole that.
But you should still come down and give Frankie $4,000.
Yeah, just $4,000 straight up. Just make it to Mexico quick. Real quick.
It's only 20 minutes away.
Yeah, it's
You
up
get
to
them- You
you.
get in like a timeline?
It's up to you.
Yeah, they got a 15-minute.
Oh, we need to
start.
put the
Script
script
up.
up, yeah.
That's right. There's the script.
Uneducated opinions.
Boom.
We're not numbering anymore. We're beyond that.
Numbering. If you don't know that we quit the numbering, fuck off. You don't
Time to
need
make our
listen to us
podcast
anyway.
smart again. Is that ever gonna happen?
No. When
No?
were we ever smart?
I don't know. We're always uneducated. But I feel like we're getting educated. We're teaching people the uneducated. Like what people aren't talking about. Like, what's the pizza of the day? Where are we at right
I don't
now?
know. I
It's
was
pizza,
upset.
bitch.
I was kind of upset with the name of today's pizza.
You're not down with the toxic
I'm not feeling
spicy
I
chicken?
like toxic being the song choice.
Nah.
You're right. I don't know what
I don't know what would go with it.
would go with
Spicy
it.
chicken.
Toxic spicy.
You just got poisoned.
just fucking
Just doing
weird.
dirty
I mean,
things
I
on
would
an
eat
airplane.
it. I would eat it. I just
Have
don't
you-
like the name of it.
Have you seen the music video?
You
Pretty
could
awesome
probably
music
do,
video.
like, there's probably a way better S song for Britney Spears that you could use than Spicy Chicken.
Oh, there's plenty. So toxic turkey? Toxic turkey chicken.
And it's made with turkey sausage. It's a
Ooh.
vegan pizza.
It's not vegan. That's still meat.
Oh, yeah.
So the pizza of the day fell flat, huh? It's falling flat. No spice. No toxic spicy chicken.
No.
Not feeling it. It's gonna be toxic on the way out.
It will be.
That's the plan.
It will be.
Well, You know, it's always it's pizza bitch. You go to hashtag that. Hashtag it's pizza bitch on all kinds of pizza things. Go to our Instagram.
Every post gets the hashtag it's pizza bitch. So if you hashtag it, we will see it.
So everybody, you know, they know we give the bird on this show. Who's getting the bird this week? Anybody got any ideas?
I don't have a bird.
No birds? You know what? Just default. Hospitals.
Hospitals?
The bills.
The whole system?
The whole system, the insurance,
What?
everything.
How about
They save
nurses?
lives,
Nurses?
bro.
I like nurses.
I like nurses too.
I like nurses.
Hello, nurse.
What about like doctors?
See, now the people, you're getting in there. The doctors, though, they're kind of scandalous, though.
Yeah, some of them.
Some of them are like that whole radiology, man, that's a scam.
Anesthesiologists.
Anesthesiologists get paid.
Yeah.
They get paid for knocking you out.
Yeah, they do.
They get paid to knock you out safely is the key thing.
I've had conversations with anesthesiologists while other people were getting knocked out.
Oh, yeah? How'd those go?
They're fun.
Let's hear some of
Well, I
it.
don't really remember what we're talking about. He just tells me about the drugs he's putting in the person.
Okay. Does he ever say he's worried?
No.
Well, what I mean is just the bills. It's out of control. Like, they're getting out of
hospital
control.
bills?
Yeah, the bills.
Oh, yeah. The
Hospital bills.
Hospital bills.
I mean, those people are just people working a job. They went to school. They became a doctor. They tried really hard. They didn't know they were...
Yeah, fuck you for
you know,
trying.
Try hard.
Yeah, you stupid
Fucking try hard. Go fucking play Fortnite
Yeah, you
with
try
the rest
hard.
of the losers.
Uh-oh. It's a fake news update. What you got, Frankie?
Tone Siri. Oh, well, anyway, that was a message out of left field. I should probably turn my phone off. But, man, it's getting real out there.
Yeah?
Dolphins have figured out how to speak Italian.
Italian?
Yeah, because they're romantic. They're,
I can see a
can rape
dolphin
people?
being romantic.
yeah, no, see, that's the thing. They won't shut up about it. Like, they're always talking about rape in Italian, so it's okay because it's in Italian. Talking about it's not rape if she comes. All kinds of shit. They're not even worried.
That's the dolphin quote?
Yeah.
It's not rape if she comes.
Yeah, that's the dolphin.
With a picture of the dolphin in the back. Let's
They-
be a meme. It's not rape if she comes.
Yes.
Said
Oh,
by
man.
dolphin, like,
Write that
whoa.
down. We got to make that a meme.
This is terrible.
We're memeing that. That's
Oh, my
hilarious.
God.
They are going crazy. And apparently, it doesn't matter if it's a he or a she. They will rape anybody.
Credit Darren Swaggerty.
Hide your kids. Hide your wife. Darren Swaggerty's getting no credit. However, that is who said that originally.
Yeah.
Darren
I was
Swaggerty.
shocked.
I looked at that little dude like, what the fuck did you just say?
Yeah.
Because that really happened. Like, this guy, used to work, me and Ross were at Team Kia of El Cajon, and this motherfucker walks up to us, and he'd always come up and say something weird. You know these people, they're not quite socially fit, but they'll come up out of nowhere and say something weird, see what you say, and then move
He got
along.
too comfortable one day.
And he comes up to us, and he straight up said, guys, you know it's not rape if she comes, right? What? Why did you just come up and say that? We were talking about a completely wholesome thing. We're car salesmen, okay? We're talking about wholesome things.
We were probably talking about getting high and
He's shocked 3-4 car salesmen. That's hard.
Yeah.
We were in
Walked away
disbelief.
from it.
Like, what? What are you
happened?
talking about? But anyway,
Well, mission was successful though.
Yeah. Shock
he
value.
did it. Yeah, so like if you thought that and said, I'm going to walk up to these guys
That was
and
worse
freak
than
them out.
farting in an elevator.
That's rough. One time as a child, I was 12, I let off a stink bomb. I let off a stink bomb in an elevator in the food court of the only mall in Biloxi, Mississippi.
How'd it go over?
Oh, we got banned for like 2 weeks.
You got banned from the mall for
Yeah, we did.
farting in the elevator?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
No, apparently we went back.
That's illegal.
We went back,
Yeah.
but we left. We left
They
immediately.
probably got
I did the bomb, and we dipped. We left the whole mall. We were
So
we
wait,
were way by Toys R Us
You
by the time
dropped
they
a
caught us.
stink
Is
bomb?
it a stink bomb or you
Or you
farted?
farted?
No, it was a stink bomb.
Oh, okay.
okay.
It
So
stunk.
they can ban you for that.
That was
No,
yeah.
you were saying you
Yeah,
farted in
farted
the elevator. We're like,
No, stink
What?
bomb for real stink bomb. One of those you buy at the fair or whatever.
The morning glory.
Yeah, that's nasty.
Alright.
So anyway, the rapist
Alright.
dolphins. That's where we're at. The rapist dolphins, bro.
Fucking
Got hot. They don't
Italian
care.
dolphins.
The Italian speaking
You know what
dolphins.
else happened?
What happened?
50 Cent apologized to Mayweather.
For reals?
What?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, it happened, bro.
I call bullshit. Is this in the fake news section?
Yep.
Oh hell yeah, because that ain't happening. That ain't happening.
Get the
But you know
strap.
what? Like 50 Cent's close with his son because, like, you know, he watched the kid grow up and shit. Because they were friends before that, so it's weird. They got a whole weird thing. 50 Cent claims he loves him. He just says Floyd's stupid. Floyd's the idiot.
He is.